Greetings from Nakenbad, PG's Udde, and this amazing spot in the nature. It is 27th of July 2026 and a new day for new beach adventure. It's cloudy and only 18 degrees Celsius in the air, but it's gonna be nice for a swim in the sea. And I have noticed that they have returned the sign that you have seen at the beginning of this video, Nakenbad, which makes this a nudist beach or a naked beach. Now today it's cloudy, so there is nobody here, so I decided to film and show you how it is. It's quite a big peninsula that has several spots, but on a cloudy day it doesn't matter which spot you are on, you're getting the same cloudy treatment. And beach the number 104, I believe it is today, and we are continuing with exploring nature, beach spots in nature. This is on Lake Källtorp, Källtorp's lake, one of my favorite lakes in Stockholm, together with Flatten. And it's time for Chris to enjoy a swim here today. Yes, summer is in progress, and let's have a quick swim here in Lake Källtorp in the Nacka Nature Reserve indeed. Yes. The water is so still as there is no wind, which makes a perfect reflection also in the lake and with the nature together. So let's then get going and dip in the lake together. Let's go. Very nice. Very nice natural setup and quite nice view also. Perfect nude beach spot indeed in the nature. Yes, it seems like the heat wave is going to make a comeback in the middle of the week, so looking forward to it, because this spot on a hot day is quite popular indeed. Quite dark day today, and it seems like it's also going to rain as well, but quick swim, it's always a good idea indeed. So summer, it's actually now we are in the second half of the summer, but don't worry, because autumn is also quite convenient and nice indeed. What a beautiful nature, and can you believe there are so many such beautiful nature spots here in Stockholm? It's so satisfying. Alright, so let me swim a bit longer and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.